Hello everyone. As you are having your boards examination starting from 17th, एक बहुत ही important part and important role जो OMR sheet play करती है, don't fill it wrong. So let's talk about it, what you should take care of and how to fill the first page of your answer sheet, which would be the OMR page. So first you will fill and go with the subject name. On the very first part, you will write the subject name. As your first examination is of mathematics, you will write mathematics and don't forget to mention standard or basic. Don't write it in short as I am writing here. आप अपने admit card में इस तरह का एक box में subject name check करेंगे and you have to fill the exact subject name here as well as the code belongs to the subject. This would be filled here. Subject code 041 for mathematics standard और आपके अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट के लिए सब्जेक्ट कोड्स होते हैं. This you already know. Then third part, day and date of examination. Make sure you are writing the day first because they are asking day and date. So you will write the day, which would be Tuesday, and then the date 17th February 2026. Mention it properly. Don't go out of this particular box because this would be cut from here. So don't go outside of this box. Then medium of answering the paper would be English or any medium. जो भी आपने select किया है वो आप यहाँ पर भरेंगे जिस medium में you are going to answer in the answer sheet. Next would be code number, and this code number, don't make mistake here, this code number belongs to code number written on the top of question paper. Means the question paper code they are asking about. This is the example of question paper. I have just taken the top part of question paper. Here you will find the question paper code 430/. This is just for the example. You will have different codes available for different set of papers, you can see. Like you can clearly see question paper code and the set number as well. Where to fill these two parts is this. First you will fill the code number, like it is 430/1 or /1, and then set number, whatever would be the set number that would be clearly mentioned here, like this set 1, set 2 or any other set that would be mentioned here. You will just circle, darken up the circle very carefully whatever set number it is, because what happens in all the different sets, the order of questions would be different. So if you wish your sequence, or you can say your answers would be checked in the proper sequence, this should be filled very carefully and correct as well. Number of supplementary answer books, you not need to require fill it initially because जितनी भी आप supplementary answers means second sheets या third sheets लेंगे, number of those sheets would be filled here. And if you are having any benchmark disabilities, you will go with yes here, or otherwise you will fill no here if you don't have any benchmark disability. And then code of disability. There are code of disabilities given in your admit card. You have to read your admit card very carefully. There are set of instructions over here. So codes of disability would be given in your admit card, like partially blind or physically handicapped. There are different codes. You have to fill it here very carefully. And in case a writer is provided to you, you will go with yes here. Otherwise, you will fill no if you are writing your examination by yourself. Then यहाँ पर those who are visually challenged, name the software used. They will write and mention the software name if those are visually challenged. But in case you don't have anything, you can just leave it blank or just write NA here as you are not applicable for this. This part is very important to get your answer sheets and result declared properly. You have to fill your name in the capital letters here. Don't write your name in small letters. It is clearly mentioned candidate name in capital letters. Like just for example, I am taking Ajay Kumar. So you can clearly see I am placing a blank here between the name and the surname. This you also should take care of and fill up the correct bubble with the same letter as you are writing here. If you are writing A here, you have to just fill A in the first column. Then go with the J in second column. Again A in the third and Y in the fourth column. Then you will leave the fifth column blank as there is a space here, and then go with Kumar, Kumar, and you have to fill everything very properly. Same thing you have to do with your roll number, which would be again mentioned on the top of your admit card here. I've just taken this as the example. This is not the original admit card. So roll number, like say if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, You will just fill up the blank, these circles, bubble up these circles properly. Okay, whatever you are writing in these box, the same number should be bubbled in one column. In one column, just one darkened circle. This is like this. Similarly, subject code, again this subject code should be taken from the admit card, like it is 041 for mathematics standard. So you will just go with 0, 4 and 1 here. And center code is also available on your admit card. This is center number. Somewhere here you will find the center number or center code. You will again fill it properly and darken up the circle properly. Okay. Next, again your subject would be mentioned here. Subject, fill it very carefully. Okay. All the instructions would be given to you by the invigilators as well, but still you need to know how to fill it properly. Vidyalaya Sankhya, school number as per admit card, school number would also be mentioned here. There are two codes, school number and the center number. This also you should take care of. Center number would be filled here, and this is the school where you are giving the examination, center of your examination. And this would be school number as per admit card, means in which school you are studying, that would be filled here. So school number and center number, these are two different things. As similar to the subject code and the question paper code. Be very careful. I am mentioning it again and again. You have to be very careful if you want to get your answer sheet evaluated properly. Last thing, Anukramank means roll number in words. There is a little change here, like they are saying lakhs and thousand, then crores as well. This is properly mentioned on your admit card. You not need to calculate it like it would be 36 lakh or something like this. Just below your roll number, it is written in the words. Just for example, it is 1 crore 23 lakh 45,000. So you will just write it in words here, 1 crore 25 or whatever it is. You have to mention it very carefully. You can use the second line as well for the roll number part. Then you will write your father's or guardian's name here, and you will just sign this sheet with your signatures here. This is what you should take care of. Again, I am mentioning the same thing. This you need to know. All the instructions would be given to you by invigilators. Don't rush. No need to hurry for the examination. OMR sheet filling is very important. So fill it, a lot of patience, a lot of concentration. Good luck for your examination. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself.